Okay students, so today we will study quadratic equations. Okay, quadratic equations. So first let me tell what are quadratic equations. Okay, any equation of this form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, okay, is called a quadratic equation. Now if you see this equation carefully, if I substitute a is equal to 0, okay, so this equation will reduce to 0 into x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this means 0 into x square is 0 into x square. 1 minute, I'll just take the eraser, students. Just 1 minute, I'll just take this. Okay, so this is 0 into x square. Okay, so 0 into x square will give me 0 plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this equation now reduced to now bx plus c is equal to 0. Now it is linear equation. Okay, now it is linear equation. Okay, this has reduced to linear equation. It is no more quadratic. So this means the condition for this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is that a should not be equal to 0. Okay, have you followed? If you remember, when I was telling you rational numbers, any numbers which can be represented in the form of p upon q. Okay, let me change the ink on this. We'll just change the ink. Okay, rational numbers p upon q. Okay, and the condition was that q is not equal to 0, right? Similarly, from here, ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Alright, example. Suppose if I take this equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, let me change the ink convention. So, okay, so if I compare this, if I write this x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus, okay, let me compare them. I'll teach you how to compare also first. Let me rub this one. Alright. So if I compare this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so what is the value of a? Okay, what is the value of a? So you can see clearly value of a is 1. Alright, so I can write a is equal to 1. Value of b is equal to 5. Compare. What is value of c? 6. And c is equal to 6. Are you following, students? Okay, students, this way we can compare and we can get a. Okay, we can get a, b and c. Okay, so first and foremost, this should be clear. What is quadratic equation? What is the general form? Always remember this general form. Okay, this is very important. General form is the structure which equation will be formed so that we can compare. Okay, so that we can compare easily. Are you following? So that we can compare this. Okay, so see here, that is what we are comparing. Suppose I can take any equation now. If I take 2x square plus 5x minus 10 equal to 0, right? So now at what is the value of a? So value of a is 2, value of b is 5, what is the value of c? Minus 10. Okay, now this equation we can rewrite as, as what? As 1 minute, I write 2x square plus 5x plus minus 10 equal to 0. So a is 2, b is 5 and c is equal to minus 10. Are you following, student? C is equal to minus 10. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. Clear? Okay, students, so revise this. Then in the next video I will explain you more. So this is for today's lecture, then we will study more. All the best, study well. Alright, students, so study well. Okay, this is sufficient. Alright.